And with the Caribbean Premier League entering its final set of matches, one local cricket enthusiast wants to recreate the magic of the competition to lure young players back to the sport in Jamaica as the numbers continue to dwindle. More in this report. The existence of the coronavirus continues to make the staging of sporting events difficult. However, one local cricket enthusiast wants ISA to create an environment similar to the Caribbean Premier League, which can rekindle the love for cricket in Jamaica.
If they want cricket to survive as a sport, and we can see how it has dwindled from the number one sport in Jamaica till hardly nobody follow it, you have to engage the youth, and the young are totally disengaged. The only thing that caught attention was the CPL. When in regular CPL, you'd see young people there. And the only young people really is 2020. The aficionados like me and the older folks might treasure our test cricket and stuff, but young folks only respond to 2020. If you don't have young boys playing a sport, it will die.
O'Brien Chang, who worked closely in the rehabilitation of West Indies fast bowler Jerome Taylor, who suffered back injuries, also called on the governing body to add some entertainment value to the game.
The reality is young boys follow young girls. If you have the girls doing it, not what wholesome cheerleading you see today in American sports and stuff. To combine those, the cheerleading aspect where the girls are there and the boys get interested, impress the girls. We know when you can combine those into a good competition and get the young boys playing cricket again, the young girls following it, we might be able to rescue the sport, which is on its last leg.
Current St. Lucia Zouks player and Melbourne CC captain Javel Glenn endorsed the idea.
It's cricket is fun. It's fun, so why not bring it in the school level? It was at the school level before. I played white ball cricket at school before. It was a T20 digital thing. It was fun, so why not bring it in the school? It's cricket, it's game. If you get some fun in it, anything that you get fun in, you're gonna get kids in. So why not get some fun in it as well?
ISA had a T20 competition in previous years, but not in 2019. President Keith Wellington welcomed the call for making the game more attractive and says there is a possibility for a return in 2021.
I think the ministry, we have had discussions with the ministry about having, special T20 games. So, for example, a top four competition, including night cricket. But from our perspective, we're looking at having T20 as a mainstream competition, expanding on what we have had in the past, where only the top 8, as I said, from each competition were involved.
Known more for his business and political expertise, O'Brien Chang thinks local cricket is in a dire state.
Try to get the young boys back interested in cricket. Right now, the young boys have zero interest in cricket. I can't even name any of the West Indian players anymore. The last generation of players are the Bravos and the Gales and the Pollards, who are 35, 40. The youngsters, the young West Indian players, the public doesn't even know their names. It's a dire state of the game. It's been...
School sports have been suspended for the rest of the year due to COVID-19. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.